Back at you again. We got the vet back down here. We had to change the lock, the latch, the door latch for the driver's side. Sometimes it'll get stuck. And as you can see, that's the brand new one. And this is the old one. So we don't have to worry about it. You can lock it, unlock it. Got it online. It don't have a part number, but it says from 78 to 82 door latch. They run like about 150, 60 bucks. That's it. Got Brother Ed over there putting it together, taking care of everything, taking the time to get it together.